Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Regarding that IMA is not going to support the government in terms of vaccination process. In fact, it is said that IMA is threatening the government. Let me explain to you. First of all, there is no official statement from our office regarding threatening the government. In fact, we want to extend our help to the government in whatever possible if we can of use to them. In reality, what has happened, there are almost around 19 to 20,000 vaccine beneficiaries, out of which some names are from the private sector, some are from the government sector. Out of private sector, by some IT technical error, some names have been omitted. So we are in constant communication with the government. We have had different meetings at health services. We have had meetings with the health secretary, and we came with a proposal to upload all the names. False news have gone in the public that we are threatening. In fact, this is totally a fabricated statement, and none from the Indian Medical Association have said it. So we are with the government. We want to involve ourselves very actively, being a private lobby. Eventually, more and more people are going to come in the vaccination drive, and we intend to solve this confusion. Probably, we are working hand in hand with the government. Thank you.
In fact, there was a small hitch as far as our IMA was concerned, the state IMA was concerned. We have uploaded a list of a lot many doctors who had not registered themselves, then the nursing staff, the support staff in the labs, in the clinics, and this list is yet to be uploaded. And we learned that there is a freeze on this list that is to be uploaded, and they cannot upload it. The reasons we do not know. They said the message has come from the center. In fact, we brought it to the notice of the health secretary, and he said he will certainly take it up, and the DHS is also looking into the matter.